Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking.
Today I will make the coconut rice with mung beans. This is a nice dish to serve with chicken, pork, or any meat. I will use 2 cups short grain sushi rice, which I will cook in the rice cook. Half cup of sugar, 1 can of coconut milk. I will stir so the top and bottom will mix. And 1 cup of shelled mung bean, which I will soak in the water for about 4 hours. This recipe is very simple. First, you heat 2 cups of water in a small pot. Add the mung bean and bring to a boil and cook for about 5 minutes until the beans are soft but not mushy. Then strain and place into a bowl. In the meantime, use the same pot, add the coconut milk and sugar and bring to a boil. Let it cook about 5 minutes and add the mung bean in the same pot and bring to a boil again. Cook 2 minutes and turn off the heat. The rice should be done in the rice cook, so pour the mung beans, coconut milk mixture into the rice and fold gently until totally combined and let it cool. You will make a lot of this rice, but I usually like to put in a small zigzag bag and freeze. And then whenever I need, I took it out, just heat up in the microwave oven for 2-3 minutes and ready to serve. I like to serve this dish as a side dish with chicken, lamb, or vegetable. It is a perfect balance to a spicy dish. I hope you enjoyed this meal. You can always find the full recipe in the description below. Happy and healthy cooking. See you next time.